Earlier this week I went to visit a friend of mine who lives outside London, and I was staying over at their place. They were a little bit concerned about bedbugs, and we've had the conversation numerous times before, particularly as they travel by public transport and also work in an area that people would think was reasonably high risk. So just before settling down for dinner, she asked me to have a look at the monitor on her bed, and lo and behold, there was actually some sign of activity. In fact, the monitor I have here, as you can see in the bottom, there are a number of fecal traces. Turns out, from having a chat with her, about 3 weeks ago she went somewhere that was unusual, that she suspected may have had a problem, and in fact she did bring bedbugs home with her. I then spent about 5 or 10 minutes having a thorough inspection of the area to make sure that there were no signs other than what was present on the monitor, and lo and behold, the problem was solved by literally removing the monitor and following what would be the treatment by passive monitor replacement on our website. It literally can be as simple as just removing the monitor, and in this case, as you can see, the bedbugs were living inside the monitor and nowhere else in the room. This basically meant that by being proactive and installing the monitor in advance of a problem with bedbugs, the treatment of the problem became as simple as a 30-second procedure. Having checked the area, a fresh monitor was installed. She'll be checking it every couple of days to make sure there's no activity, and then going back to her normal routine of checking it every time she changes the sheets on the bed. Effectively, what used to be a concern and fear for her is now something that she understands that she has the tools and resources in place to simply resolve the problem. Hopefully this video and the information on our website will help you understand that bedbugs don't need to be a huge panic. They don't need to be something that you throw things out, you burn your life, you move, that causes great anxiety and stress. But like all problems, you need to take a little bit of time to plan and prepare in advance, because that way the problem is eminently easy to resolve.